GED Walkaholic. Win one, and you're eligible for the grand prize. VIP passes to see the band
Honey, just go
anywhere
right.
on their current U.S. tour, plus an overnight hotel stay, and even a 1-hour private guitar lesson with Joey Allen. Clothing option. Check out all the tour dates and enter to win at How.
Honey, go right.
At 8:21 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a
get it.
thunderstorm capable of producing